Hello friends, this is me. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your channel top in the YouTube search list without using any hacking app.
So without wasting more time, let's start the video. Friends, first of all sign into your YouTube account in your browser, then click on the options, then go to the desktop version of your YouTube in your Android, or you can continue this on your PC. Wait till the page is completely loaded. Now here we can see our channel icon in the right side in the corner. We have to just click on that and then to the Creator Studio. Now here, just go to the channel and then to the advanced option. We can see a column channel keywords in which we will write our channel name or any other keywords for our channel. Now all we have to do is to click the save button and then we are all done. This video is so helpful for the YouTube beginners like me in getting their channel names in the top of the YouTube search list. Now as an example, I will search my YouTube channel's name and let's see which place it has got in the search list. As you can see friends, my channel is on the top of the YouTube search list and this was the reason behind it. I hope you liked this video. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Either you kick it or crush it. मुझे नहीं पता, बस दब जाना चाहिए यार.